I have now Maple portable main sockets with the two USB ports in here. I bought this when we arrived at New Marina. The reason I bought this, the boat electrical system is not safe for me. So until I find a solution for this, I thought that it might be a good idea to provide the power for my heater just over there, and also for my laptop. So this portable main sockets has got three sockets over there, and two USB ports in here, and one light in here. The cable is 15 meter and rated for IP44, which means for me that it is splashing resistant cable. But I've been using most of time outside of the boat on a rainy weather and very windy weather. So far it didn't show any damage. It did even drop on the sea a couple of times. I didn't see any negative damage on the cable yet. So this is there are three sockets in here. The first socket is here for my heater. The second socket is empty, and the third socket is for the laptop. Underneath there are two USB ports. The first one, the second one. Each USB port provides 2.1 amp if the flashlight is not on. Is not on. If it is on, then the amperage drops down from 2.1 to 1.6 amp. Let's have a look at the light in here. So as you can see, the light is sufficient enough that it can actually make a nice atmosphere in the evenings. For me, this light in the evenings is sufficient, and I can do most of the things with this light without using the boat power. So is a great practical elements or function for this Maple. Okay, so let's have a look to the other side of the Maple. So on the other side, there are fuse box in here. So there are two auto fuse in here and one test button. There are also this red light indicates that the portable socket is on. There is electricity in here and it is ready to use for both main sockets, USB ports, and flashlight. In here, as you can see, the cables goes around this drum by using this handle. So it goes basically around the drum by turning off to this wheel, and I find that it's very practical, and I can carry on easily wherever I go, and I think that it brings the flexibility for quick and easy movements. Of course, you need to read the instruction before you use that, because the cable shouldn't be around the drum while you are using it. So there's a safety instructions. So you need to read that before you use it. Overall, so far I am happy with this product. I've been using nearly from October, and I didn't have any problem at all so far, of course. And the outcome for me is great, and as I said, this is a temporary solution until I find a solution for the boat electrical system. And once I start to use the boat electrical system, this will be on the side just in case, as a backup. I read the comments on Amazon page before I bought this. Mainly there were positive comments, so that's why I bought this. And if you would like to find out more, please check out from the link, and then you can find out the information from the Amazon page. And even if you buy from this link, it will not cost you extra. However, the channel get commission from Amazon. Until next time, see you.